Hello, welcome to my Sunday front. Today I have another recipe, and today I'm going to be making chili, cheese, spaghetti, burritos. So the one thing that you need for spices, I think, is gonna be just these onions and jalapenos if you like them, and whatever you want to put on top. I have this salsa right here, and then the main ingredients, I have the chili. It's already made. It's just leftovers. Spaghetti. I have this Velveeta block. I scored this for like $7.50 online. Pretty good. And then these pockets, the burrito pockets. They're flour tortillas. So they just look like that. These are less than $4. They're like $3 something, $3.90 something. And these are also like $3. You can get them on sale sometimes for $2.90 something. And now that the water is boiling for the pasta, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in. You can season your pasta, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna put the onions in. So add as much as you want. My burrito shells are not that big, so I'm just gonna add this much. And I'm gonna put the onions in. You probably wouldn't want to do that if you don't like your food touching, because it will mix the flavors with the pasta. But if you really aren't particular about it, then go ahead and try it my way. But I'm just gonna let this cook, and then we'll be back to assemble the rest. Hello, welcome back. So I have the pasta. I think it's done. I can go ahead and taste it. Oh, it looks a little bit undercooked. So I'm gonna go ahead and let it cook a little bit longer. And I was thinking maybe I should toast up those tortillas. So this definitely needs some more time. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm not sure if I'm gonna put this in the microwave or in the oven. I think I'll put like 2, probably. So this is what they look like. They're just little cones. And you just put whatever in them. So I could make like 2 to 4. I can probably make about 3. But I mean, I think I'll put these in the microwave for a minute and let them warm up. And I'll be back. Hello, welcome back. I have this pasta. I think it's just about ready. And the onions are nice and soft and mixed up with the pasta, but you know what I mean? So we're just gonna roll along to the cheese. So this cheese is kind of bulky, so it tends not to want to cooperate. Let's see if there's any like glue. There's probably glue on it. Am I right? Maybe there's some type of tack. And let's see. Just need a grip. There we go. Whoop. And then get this cheese. Front and center. Lovely cheese. So this was less than $8 on the online. And I'm so happy that I found it, because sometimes I look and it's not there. You know that feeling you get when you feel like something's not there when you need it, and then when you don't need it, it's like on sale. So here she is, and I'm just gonna get probably some slices out of here and put them on my bowl so we can have them nice and ready. Right there. This. I never really ate spaghetti in a burrito, and I kind of want to try it at home, because I know, like, I think they have it at like Skyline, but I kind of want to try it at home before I go and get a burrito with spaghetti. I never had one before. So like this looks like it needs like this quality taste test immediately. So I'm gonna take action. Ooh, that is good. Ooh, baby. I love this stuff. Oh, and by the way, this is like gold during Thanksgiving. Like literally. You can put this on anything. It makes it taste like way better. So I have a baking sheet here, and I'm gonna use this. I never knew what it was for. Is this for grilling or a bain-marie? I never knew what those were for. This Velveeta box is hard to close, so we're gonna have to just, yeah. So the first thing, I heated up the chili. But you know what? I'm gonna pour some of this salsa into the bowl as well. It needs to be opened. I think, yeah, I'm gonna go open this. Okay, we're back. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put some salsa in here so it's nice and ready. And we'll just assemble them. So let's get, we can get the cheese down, right? Get some cheese. Probably a little piece like that. Stick it in. I mean, you could bake these if you wanted. A little bit of noodle. And then I'll put some jalapenos. Let's see. I have some leftover jalapenos from the last one. Not too much juice, but I mean, you could put like 2 in there without burning yourself, I think. I mean, that wasn't that big, but okay. And then we'll get some of this chili, or we can put the salsa on top of that and then put some chili. That way you get spice right away. And then I'll put the chili. Kind of want to make sure the chili goes all the way to the bottom, because that's the best part, in my opinion. And like, you don't have to have it like spill out with like the chili, but like some people like salsa on the top of everything, so you can do that. And you just pinch it off, kind of shake it down, and you just hang it over the edge like that so it can stay. And then you keep going. Keep going. So I'm gonna put some jalapenos down. So I'll put the jalapenos. Let's see. I don't want a chunky one. It's like that's all that's left is the chunky ones. See? Another chunky one. And then put some salsa. You see that? And then the cheese. Just stuff it down there. And then you want a nice little chunk up top. Just like that. And you grab your fork and just stuff it with spaghetti. And like I said, leave a little bit of room. So like kind of make a layer of spaghetti. So that way you have a little pocket to stuff the chili in. So you can use a spoon to put the chili down in there. You see that? You just pour it in. It's nice and warm. Just like that. And then you just kind of fold it together. And then move on to the next one. So the next one isn't gonna get any jalapenos, so I'll just put some spaghetti want it. And then make sure you stuff all the way to that little corner. See that? And then I'll stuff it with cheese. You can put as much cheese as you want. It's a lot of cheese. And as much chili as you want. And I'm gonna try this one, because this one looks like it has my name written all over it. And a little bit of salsa on the top. So let's give it a taste test. What do you say? Here we go. That is so good. I wasn't expecting that. It's super delicious. It's super filling. And it has like all these wonderful flavors that go together. I think originally they used nacho cheese. But like I said, you can use whatever you want. You can use Cincinnati chili. I just used canned chili. That was just regular chili. But feel free to use what you got. And I hope you like this video. If you do, give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. My son Diffram. Bye-bye.